Right guys, so I've got here the master plug surge adapter for USB that came in this box with its instruction manuals and packaging from Argos. It has 2.1 amps USB sockets with 5 volts. It's got one socket that's actually within the thing, so it doesn't actually take up a plug socket, so you can charge your mobile devices without having the normal plug adapter in there. There's some of the spec, and here's the product. Very highly quality made in the glass finish, with the 2 USB port outlets just there and the normal plug just here. It has a surge protection on it, which means that it won't kill devices that are plugged into here. And yeah, I'll show you what it looks like when it's plugged in. Here we are, we have the surge protection plug, so it's a bit blurry in the plug socket just here, it's blur, and as you can see, when I turn it on, it has the blue plug, meaning the power is going through it, and the white LED, that means that the surge protection is on. I mean, it looks like it's flashing from here, but that's just my camera showing the lights flashing. And yeah, I bought this to plug in behind my desk so I could save space charging phones up by plugging them into here, and then use this plug to protect other devices that may be left on for a long time. So it's very good. Thanks for watching.